Don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a master technician today.
Hello, my name's Jeremiah, and if you got a Everchill or a Magic Chef fridge that's freezing in the freezer, but it's getting warm in the fridge, I'll show you how to operate the controls here to make that work better for you. So as we come down here in the bottom section, you're actually going to see your main controls right here. So what you'll want to do is you'll turn this on here, and you want to be right here where the 3 is. That 3 is your default kind of area for temperature control. Now if we come up here, this is where it can kind of get confusing. So it says freezer control there. The optimal area right there is 3, where it says optimal there. You don't really want to go higher than that, because what that does is that's going to close the baffling system between this airflow chamber that goes all the way through. So then you're not going to get the cold air down here, and it's going to feel like your fridge isn't working anymore, and really you just cut off the air supply. Then what it does is it freezes up the coils behind this plate back here, and then you'll definitely not get airflow. So if you are experiencing that, you want to shut this down, let it defrost, then turn it back on, and make sure you put those right in that medium setting there in both controls. So that way you get that proper airflow down, and you get good cold temperatures down here and freezing temperatures up top.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry, we're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a master technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.